Hey guys, this is Ayush. Welcome to my channel. I am going to unboxing instant water heater tap which I bought from Flipkart. This is a packaging of Flipkart. I already unboxed it, so it is looking your unboxing. Before starting our video, please like and subscribe to my channel. And let's start our video. As you can see, this is the external packaging of Flipkart. And see here, now I am going to unboxing it. This is the internal packaging of Flipkart. They packed it very safely, means to prevent from any damages. They packed it airtight. So let's get started our video. So I am removing it from box. See, this is the packaging of Flipkart. As you can see, this is our instant water heater tap. They tied it very safely. So see here, this is a packaging of Flipkart. This is not India's model. This is manufactured in China, and it come in India few months later. As you can see, few months later it come in India. It is the gadgets of China. So let's open it. So we are going to open it. So this see here, this is a airtight packaging of this tap. It can prevent it from any damages. This is the packaging of Flipkart. So this is a airtight packaging of. So this is our tap. Means this is our tap, instant water heater tap. This is the LED display. So you can see here, it changes its temperature when we can move it from here and here. See here, this is our water heater tap, and this is a plug of it. It only runs on 3000 watt. But it get quick heat up to 3 to 5 seconds on degree of 30 to 60 degree. So it consists of both hot and cold water. See here, this is this is on cold water. In middle this is stop, and in right side this is heating. In left side this is heat. So you can adjust it temperature by moving it on heat. So this is this is the tap of it. So you can fit it here, and this is means this is outlet and this is inlet. You have to joint it on inlet, and it is outlet of this faucet. And you can open it from right side. You can open it from here from right side. So to control the water pressure, see here, I am going to open it. This is the opening. So there is some screws are given, so you can control the pressure of the water from using these screws. I am not installing it because I don't know how to install it. And if you want this, I have given a link in description. You have whenever you have to check, you can check it. So guys, if you like my video, please like, share and subscribe to my channel, and press the bell icon for more videos. Thank you guys.